Okay, firstly, we would like to talk about what is food additive. Food additive are a substance that are added to food to maintain or to improve its safety, freshness, taste, texture, or appearance. Food additive needs to be checked for potential harmful effects on human health before they can be used. There are 6 types of food additive. Firstly, antioxidant, coloring, flavor additive, food conditioner, preservative, and lastly, seasoning.
Seasoning refers to an increase in the food natural flavor. Seasoning means to bring out the food natural flavor of the food without changing the texture. The 3 common seasoning is salt, pepper, and acid such as lemon juice. The top dry seasoning is dry garlic powder, paprika, and cinnamon. Seasoning usually added near the end of the cook period.
So next, let's talk about antioxidant. What is antioxidant? Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental or other pressure. So antioxidant can be found which 2 sources, which is naturally and artificially. Example of natural source are fruit, vegetable, and legumes. And example of artificially source of antioxidant are beta carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. So there are many antioxidant benefits, which is can protect you against digestive disorder, can improve your reproductive function, can reduce obesity and protect liver, can support immune system and body defense, and the last one is can improve your quality of sleep.
Next, let's go on about the function of antioxidants. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and E can boost our immune system. Second, antioxidants neutralize substances that can damage the genetic material by oxidation. Third, antioxidants lower the level of LDL cholesterol and can prevent plaque deposition in the blood vessel. Besides that, phytochemicals are all types of chemicals found in plants that have a beneficial effect on heart disease. Lastly, antioxidants are very beneficial in cancer prevention.
Food coloring is defined as any dyes, pigment, or other substance that can impart color to the food, drug, cosmetic, or to the human body. There are 2 types of food coloring, which is dye and flakes. Dyes dissolve completely in water and available as powder, granules, or liquid. So some of product contain dyes are dairy product, ice cream, jam. Okay, next is flakes. Flakes are insoluble in water and generally used in products that contain oil and fat. For example, like chocolate, margarine, cheese, and so on. Next is flavoring. Flavoring is substances are used to maintain the unique taste to the food. There are 2 types of flavoring, which is natural and artificial. Natural flavoring substances are made from plant and animal. For example, plant and animal use like herb, fruit juice, dairy product, eggs, and anything come from plant and animal. Next is artificial flavoring. Artificial flavoring are substance or flavor that is extract from the original material to make a product. So for example, lemon fragrance. It was extracted from lemon and processed into fragrance to be a human use.
Okay, for today, I'm gonna talk about preservative. What is a preservative? A preservative is a substances or chemical added to products such as food, beverage, and many others to prevent decomposition or spoilage of food caused by microbial growth or undesirable chemical changes. For today, I will only focus to the three main reasons. For the first reason is to keep the food natural characteristic, and second, to maintain the food appearance, and lastly, to increase the shelf life of the food storage. There are two kinds of food preservative. First is the natural food preservative, and the second is artificial food preservative. What does it mean by natural food preservative? It means it's natural substances that are used as preservative to keep the food fresh. For example, that are commonly used salt, sugar, vinegar, and alcohol. And lastly, artificial preservative. What does it mean? Okay, artificial preservative is a class of chemical substances that are used or added to food, either spray on the outside of the food or mixed into medication to prevent spoilage, discoloration, or contamination by bacteria or other diseases organisms. For examples that are commonly used in factories are sodium benzoate, sodium nitrate, and propionate.
Okay, now let's move on to food conditioner. Food conditioner are added to food for a technological purpose to obtain the desired types of food conditioner. Food conditioner that are allowed are first, emulsifier and anti-foaming agent, stabilizer, thickener, modified starch and gelling agent, then acidity regulator, enzyme, solvent, and lastly anti-caking agent. Example of food additive which are permitted for food conditioner are magnesium carbonate, lecithin, xanthan gum, and lastly sulfuric acid. Example of food which are preservative are allowed for food conditioner are canned fruits, chocolate, and lastly biscuit.